So right now in crypto, we're actually going through a little bit of an accumulation phase, and that's important. You need to find strength. You need to find support in the charts. And right now, when we look at SHIB, when we look at BTC, we're doing just that. And what I have to say is this, is if this does continue, we may only be days before the next leg in the crypto market. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell. Again, it's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So I want to get into some of these metrics, but what I have to say is first is there's an article here that was talking about how SHIB has done a complete 180. Sentiment has drastically shifted from when we entered the month of September. You guys obviously remember we were very bearish. We were falling down. We were in our descending channel that we were kind of stuck in for a very long period of time. And finally, SHIB sentiment shifted. We saw a more bullish push to the upside, and we're still on that right now. SHIB floating at 40176, looking pretty good here. And what this is even saying we need to go through too as well is we need another accumulation phase, because some people have taken profits. We're again trying to find that support. Now, what I will say in terms of SHIB is we're seeing all the right things take place. In fact, yesterday, another big day for whales. Almost 1 trillion Shiba Inu accumulated. That's net flows, guys. All right. So they're actually on the heavy buy right now in terms of the charts. You guys can see that there, right? And at the same time, same thing we've mentioned time and time again, supply on exchanges falling off a cliff. And I don't want to sound redundant. I don't want to keep saying this time and time again, but we're at an all-time low in terms of SHIB available on exchanges. So this is why right now Shiba Inu price is looking incredibly good. Now, I've referenced this BTC chart a couple times here recently, and I think this is important because we have some historical significance in this time frame that we're in currently. So, for example, this is actually the BTC chart from 2020 at the current exact date that we were at back then. And this is the current chart, or this is the chart from BTC back in 2016. And if you guys haven't seen this before, or if you haven't heard or watched my Cardano content or anything like that, I've talked about the fact that this is playing out exactly the same that it did last market cycle and the market cycle prior. What this means is that, guys, we may be only a couple days away from a point where the market decides to take some moves. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. I think it's kind of bizarre that we're following this exactly to a T. It's actually quite incredible because that doesn't always happen, right? But if this continues to be the case, and if BTC does end up taking some ground here, what do we think is going to happen with Shiba Inu? Right? We're going through big accumulation. We're going through big supply removal. We're seeing a nice foundational support in price. Sentiment is high. And when the market is popping, Shiba Inu tends to do incredibly well. That's kind of where we're at. We're in this calm. I don't want to say the calm before the storm. I've said that many times before, right? But we are in the calm before the storm. We're in here right before things begin to get wild again. Okay. Remember, this right here was this exact move we experienced back in the earlier part of this year before things started popping. Right here, pop, right? And then we got a little bit of rejection just because of obviously all the negative things going on abroad, the longshoreman strike, stuff like that. And now that some of that has at least calmed down a bit, the market's opening back up again. We're seeing a lot more activity. We're seeing more positive sentiment. We're seeing BTC creep to the upside, seeing some institutional adding. These are all the things that are facilitating that next big pop in the crypto market. And remember, SHIB does well during those times. I will say, again, haven't closed any of my positions, still incredibly bullish on what we're experiencing right now. And we're very close to alt season, guys. This is very exciting. Again, if you guys do want to check out Margex, there's a referral link in the description below. Again, you can earn up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC. My SHIB position still up 167%, looking good. I've seen some people say that they've taken a little profit on theirs. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with taking profit in general, guys. Just know that the next big moves in crypto are the ones that we've waited patiently for. They're the ones that keep us here for the long haul. So appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know, do you think over these next few days, the overall crypto market is going to follow what we've done historically? Are we going to start making some of those moves? And what does this mean for Shiba Inu price? Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.